all week. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. Did you just do a service?
Yeah, Holy Cross.
Oh, I saw there was a big burial there.
Yeah.
Oh.
All the time.
Aww. Was it family members?
Yeah, it's my wife's cousin.
Oh. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care, Mr. Hernandez.
And I'll see
nice
you
to
again.
see you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.